You can work for 30 years, earn a good living, do everything you were told to do, and still not build wealth. That's the part no one says out loud. And that's because we were taught how to earn, not how to own. Most people are not bad with money. They're just running a system that was never designed to make them wealthy. You get paid, you spend, you repeat. And if life gets more expensive, you just try to earn more. That's not a plan. That's survival with a nicer paycheck. Income stops the moment you stop working. Ownership doesn't. That's the dividing line. Wealth isn't built by earning more. It's built by converting income into things that keep working when you don't. Most people never cross that line, not because they can't, but because no one showed them where it was. Two people can earn the same salary for 20 years. One builds a life that looks successful. The other builds assets no one sees. At first, they look identical. Same job, same house, same conversations. But one is slowly buying freedom. The other is slowly upgrading obligation. Wealth is not about how hard you work. It's about what continues to work after you stop. That means fewer decisions about consumption. More decisions about ownership. Less reacting, more designing. This is not complicated, but it does require a different lens. If you're thinking about this in your 40s or 50s, you're not late. You're finally awake to the right question. You stop asking, how do I make more? And start asking, how do I keep what I build working? That question changes everything. Most people spend their lives earning. A few decide to start owning. That decision is where wealth actually begins.